up, gang? What's up, Mom? Hello. What to order?
Apple Pay? That again? Apple Pay or no? We don't got Apple Pay. Give me 1 second before you pay.
So?
Are you recording?
Yeah. No, I'm yeah. Yes, sir. You know I am. I might get the same thing as y'all. I don't know.
Apple Pay for this ring. Like that.
We got King's Crab, man. I don't know. I'm gonna just get that. I'm gonna get the same thing as her. Me and Diamond got the number 2 crab with shrimp platter.
Your order number is 46. Thank you. Okay, so what you gonna get?
Number 2.
Number 2, same thing?
Yeah.
So we're gonna do a number 2. What kind of butter did you want?
What did she get?
She got.
Where you go when I get it?
Try a different one than her.
Yeah.
What's it?
So get spicy.
I'll get the spicy one.
That's on the side, right?
Yes.
Okay. You want a drink?
Yeah. I'll take a Sprite. No ice.
You got original butter?
That come with it for free.
Oh, I was gonna say you could have got that at home. You got that at home?
And you probably couldn't because we got extra special, So I have a number 2. That's gonna be with spicy butter and fountain, right?
What's up, gang? What's up, Mom? We got the.
You say y'all the food though.
Yeah, you showing me food, man. I don't know, man. It's going pretty far. Hold on. Hold on. This motherfucker far. Hold on, nigga. Hold on. Hey, fuck that. I mean, it's a family channel, my bad, but that whole smack.
So Joey got spicy and original. I got freaking what I get? Cajun and garlic. Y'all.
Finna bash.
Bro.
Boy, that first piece of shrimp. Let me tell you something about that first piece of shrimp. What?
Nothing. Oh, can you?
Let me tell you something about this. Bro, this shrimp is going stupid. I don't care what nobody says.
Boom. We in there. Okay, so let's try this. I forgot what was on the side.
Huh?
Cajun sauce was on the side, y'all. Look at that.
I don't care about that Cajun sauce, bro. No. This shit smack. You know. I'm thirsty.
All right. I don't know.
I ain't gonna cap. I can. You can.
Camera.
You can.
It's hot.
You can.
Drink.
I can't talk.
Drink it.
Like, you can taste that spicy. They must be a something boy curl.
Let me taste it.
You want shrimps? I don't think I got some over here. That was smack. That was smack on breakfast. Dang, they put a whole bunch. I might put it. What?
I feel like the sauce. It's good.
Yours ain't spicy.
Exactly.
Mine isn't.
I was better off. Maybe we should have got all of the sauce mixed together. Damn. That's...
That would have been on fire. I'm about to try the corn now. I'm gonna wait on the crab legs, you know what I'm saying?
You say them crab legs for
last. No mind. You got the same mindset. I'm trying to.
Okay, let's talk about some.
Boy! King Crab ain't never had to go this crazy on some corn. But. Hey.
I don't appreciate my potatoes being smashed like this though. Maybe I just need to pour this all on here.
For what? But hey y'all, I'm about to tell y'all. Did y'all know that Diamond tried to leave the group? Diamond tried to bounce. Diamond tried to skedaddle. And goes have the nerve to say, you gonna be good without me. Ow! So who gonna say mom? That's crazy. But y'all know, man. Diamond, bro, this corn going crazy. Ain't bro, can you get it?
No. Not with these nails on.
Break them off.
Fuck it. Fuck it. Fuck it.
So Diamond, how was your day today, Diamond?
It's hard working full time from 12:45 to 9:15 when you got your own business. Like,
man,
they gotta make some shape.
But you getting that go out. But what you know? She making more than you mother truckers. Dang, it's gonna be so hard not to cut, bro.
Here, I don't know.
Can't call her broke.
I think I'm gonna have to make my own sauce. It's just something I don't like about the sauce, man.
Okay.
It ain't hitting on that.
I'm about to try the sausage.
To be honest, I just felt like they were stingy with the sauce. That's how I feel about it, especially on mine anyways. I don't taste nothing. My mashed potatoes is mushed up by the, I don't want no sausage. I don't even like sausage.
Come again.
I don't even like sausage. No.
Huh?
Like sausage. No. I don't know.
I don't know about that one. Hey man, I mess with the shrimp though. The shrimp, so hard. She said she don't like mine, but
bro, like my mashed potato. Look at my potatoes though. Like there's none. Like,
this is a lot.
It's more mashed potatoes than shrimp.
So you finna jump? You finna something new next time?
I need less potatoes. I need my potatoes on the top or something.
But my overall, I might have to dig into the.
Who is calling me?
Might have to dig into the crab leg now, man.
Y'all, so listen. I really recommend people to go pescatarian.
The fuck is that?
Eating just seafood.
That's what you do or something?
I started, then I stopped because we didn't have no type of seafood place in Omaha, so it was like hard to like try and get that every day. But now I might go crazy with the seafood, but I don't know if I can have it every day.
Yeah, everybody.
But yeah.
Well, I just opened up my first crab leg, and that hoe hard to get out, no cap. About to use my teeth. I'm asking. Are y'all? If we being
I really want to try that Be Lovely sauce. That Be Love sauce.
From where? Up in here?
Mm-hmm. She got it on Amazon now. Selling it. That lady that be doing the mukbangs, that she be
For her family and stuff?
mm-hmm. And with celebrities, she be going nuts.
The stuff gets hot after a while. And it's getting to my nose.
Is that spicy?
It's spicy. I don't really like how they put the potatoes
At the bottom.
at the bottom. Like now they just like smush, and I don't really want to eat them. I'm gonna be for real with
Exactly.
you. I don't know. I feel like they should put some stuff on the side, and like the sausage.
I don't know about the
I'm not really a fan of it, But the shrimp,
corn roll.
that was mad. I'm a bash off my shrimp though. I must with the shrimp, something different. What's your overall perspective right now though? Like, at like a scale 1 out of 10.
Rated from like a...
Dang, wet mouth.
I'll put a whole bunch of sauce on it. Rated from like a 1 through 10, I'm gonna give it a good little 9. Only because I can taste the sauce now, so. I feel like my stomach about to be fucked up from the sauce now.
Boy, I'm finna be. Period. Boy.
I ain't even about to cap it to you.
He's going fast.
You about to flip off that bitch.
What? I had to get this like a 8.5.
8.5.
Only because I really wanted to try the mashed potatoes, but I really just don't want to because they just smashed.
And I feel like everything that goes in like a crab oil, you gotta be able to dip it in the sauce. Period.
Yeah, like what I gotta do? Actually, I don't wanna. I don't know. But
for this to be the first place in Omaha,
it's not bad.
can't cap it to you. I messed with it.
I messed with it.
I waited too long for this. I'm not gonna lie.
I mean, like they weren't like long with our order either. Like I thought they'd take forever with it. Like at like Red Lobster. Boy, they take forever. Broski.
No more corn.
Hell you! Dang, white mouth.
The corn came out.
Oh, what? Where?
I don't know where that bitch flew.
Family channel.
Oops.
No, man, but today
I'm gonna show y'all this these potatoes. Like this is sad.
they put a lot of seasoning on their crab legs, and I like that.
You can't taste them. You ain't gonna be able to taste it on the top.
Is this an egg? It is an egg.
Yeah.
I'm not really a big fan of eggs. You want it?
Not really, cause I ain't got nothing to dip it in. Want the sausage though?
Nah.
Oh.
That shit gross. I mean, stuff.
Bro, it's so many potatoes.
Yeah, they
tried making it look full with these potatoes. No, y'all ain't give me next time. No.
You tried it? Oh, you good. I'm cool on that. Nah, but
My potatoes are so soggy.
Ugh. I'm getting napkin.
I got a few of them hoes. Oops, ma'am. I think I'm done. I ain't even crack open no.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna wait till I crack. I'm gonna wait to crack open my when I eat.
Cause I'm going ham. I'm getting me some more butter. They gotta be dipped and stuff. Let me show y'all the aftermath though.
Like we bashed on the shrimp. We bashed on the corn. The corn was, y'all went crazy on the corn. I give y'all that. The shrimp, I mess with mine, but she said she don't mess with. I guess
I do mess with my shrimp. More sauce though.
More sauce, but.
Drown mine. I'm actually drown mine. I'll pay y'all more. I'll pay y'all however 76 cents more y'all need to drown my stuff in sauce. Or just give me like a whole container. That's all.
And, you know, like nothing really, you know, spilled. You know what I'm saying? It wasn't really, you know, going.
Wasn't a mess or nothing, but let me show y'all the aftermath though. Okay.
That's on my nose.
Dang. Tell that man, focus. How you doing it? Yeah. Oh, got it. Alright, y'all, look at this. Let me try and show y'all what the potatoes looking like real quick. Ooh. Look at this. All of this is potatoes, y'all.
All of it.
All of this. So, like, y'all see that though? Scoot it back a little bit. Y'all see that? Potatoes everywhere. Like, potatoes. Like, it's just full of potatoes.
That's it. I don't know with mine, man, you know, it's the same thing. Full of potatoes, man, literally. So I'ma just, and then, you know, the juice on the side.
You can see Joey's. You can't see mine. I got too much stuff on top of mine, but you can see his.
Yeah, I put all my stuff on the side of my bag, but I don't know, man. From the looks of it, I have to give it 8.5. 8.5. I'll probably have to come back again. Probably get something different. Probably change it from a 8.5 to a 9. But I like how, you know, they made sure, you know, nothing dripped out, nobody's car, nothing. She wrapped it, all the other stuff. But I'm gonna go home and I'm smashing on the crab legs, man. You already
I'm
know.
smashing
Wet
them,
mouth. I call her wet mouth. But
it was short. We need to talk about something real quick.
what you ain't talking about?
I found me a nice apartment and I'm low-key excited, but I'm low-key nervous too. Cause y'all know when y'all move out, like, it's just, you're on your own. Like, you're by yourself, like,
gonna be by yourself.
Like, I don't know. And plus, I'm gonna be bored. I'm barely gonna be home though, like, cause y'all know, like, I do nothing but work. So
What you just do? Oh, you hard. You hard.
So, yeah, I'm gonna just be working. Like, I'm gonna just, by the time I get off work, it's bedtime. So I'm not gonna necessarily be bored, but I'm gonna be bored. But, like, I suggest y'all, before y'all move into, like, y'all apartments or y'all think about moving, I really suggest y'all to maybe look into, like, go ahead and buying stuff, building on to, like, buying stuff before you move. Because if you buy stuff, you add on, like, I bought my kitchen set, my bathroom stuff. I bought all of this stuff before I start moving. So yeah, just a little advice.
TV next. I'm gonna need that big one.
50-inch
PS4 in that mud. But without
50-inch coming soon.
50-inch.
50-inch TV, baby. Go big or go home.
I ain't 2K on that. But
Why you
without, I don't care. Hey,
how long?
without further ado, peace out, my boys, my girls, my gang,
My mob.
until next time. Yeah.